from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm giving you some extreme laundry motivation. If you watched last week's video, you know we recently returned from vacation and we brought 5 loads of laundry with us. Before starting laundry though, I needed to tidy up the kitchen after breakfast and definitely grab a cup of coffee. Prior to washing my whites, I soaked them in borax. Borax helps to remove odor and armpit stains, but be sure to follow directions for best results. While waiting for my first load to finish, I cleaned my dryer vent. As I've said in the past, you should clean your dryer vent regularly, as this increases the lifespan of your dryer, reduces drying time, and the chance of a home laundry dryer fire. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My friends call me Charlene, but my family call me Sissy. That's the channel name. I live outside of Atlanta with my spouse of 31 years, our 2 young adult sons, and my fur baby Max. I enjoy making homemaking and lifestyle videos and hope you'll return to see them. So if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. Start my 3rd load of laundry, I'm feeling relieved knowing I only have 2 loads left. You see, I do laundry about 4 times a week. I wash my towels on Thursdays, sheets and whites on Fridays, and colors and darks on Mondays and Wednesdays. As I do laundry, I also tidy up a few rooms within my home, or deep clean one room. Does anyone else do this? Or am I just doing too much?
I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
I'm still on the hunt for some new laundry baskets. These are no longer available at the home superstore and they're falling apart. For example, one of the handles fell off while filming this video, but I was too embarrassed to include it. Lord, I tell you, the struggle is real. My fur baby Max was upset that I was spending too much time in the laundry room. So he came in and peed on the washing machine. And how do you think I found it? Yes, I stepped in it. And we did a staring contest for at least an hour because I was just too upset to speak.
slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take.
Here I'm folding my fourth load of laundry and wondering what we're gonna have for dinner. But I didn't have to wonder too long because my husband took care of it. And that is just one of the many reasons why we're still married after 31 years.
Remedy, remedy, yeah.
Now that my last load is in the dryer, I'm going to dry out my soap dispenser and washer tub and also leave the washer door open overnight. This prevents a buildup of mold.
Those cold eyes, cold looking. But saying bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah.
At this point, I'm exhausted, and you can tell because things are just falling all over the place.
Remedy, remedy, yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza.
If you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching Sissy Spaces. Also, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.